What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, have you or someone you know ever blew up your account or lost it all because you didn't know where to enter your trade, or you were caught revenge trading or anything like that? Man, if you can relate to this, if you have let the losses begin to mount up, this video is for you guys. Listen, man, today I got a jam-packed video for you guys on 2 lessons I want to teach you to begin dominating on your trading journey. So keep it locked. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, today we're going to talk about what to do when you have a strong move down in the market, as well as where to enter your plays at, so you know how to get in, where to buy at, and then again how to get out successfully. Okay, this is going to be a lesson on a strong move down, and then we're going to dive into the charts. Check it out, guys. You will see something like this in the market. A stock will go down. I'll put this as the target. This is what the goal will be when the stock makes a move to the downside. Okay, when the stock goes down, it will again retrace, okay, only to come back down to the same target level. Okay, at that juncture, the play is particularly done. Okay, you want to then assess to see what does it do from here. Does it begin to trade sideways for a bear flag, and then it flushes some more and then creates the same pattern? These are the things you want to look out for. Another example you'll see when a stock makes a strong move down, it will then hit its target and then go right back. Watch this and let me know, you guys, if you see this. It will go all the way back up, okay, make a double top potentially, and then come all the way back down to that target level before again forming a potential double bottom and then working its way back to the upside. Okay, that's 2 examples of what to look for when a strong move to the downside happens in the stock. It always wants to come back to that target level. So always make note of, where did the stock come to when it made a strong move down? The same is true and same can be said when a stock heads to the upside. Okay, but where did the stock come to? And then you should know the stock likes to come back to that same level on the next move down. Okay, now this next lesson is about showing you guys this on the charts. Okay, check this out. All right, you're gonna have 2 examples that I'm going to show you guys here. Okay, I'll start here with this first one so that you guys can see it in real time. Strong move down, then the stock hits its target, retraces, only to come right back to the same target level. Okay, be mindful of that. Take your eyes over here. Watch this. Strong move down. It came all the way back up, chopped around, only to come right back to the same target level before, as you see, creating a bear flag and then going down further. Then that end up turning into what I'm going to teach you guys about momentarily, the double bottom. All right, and then we'll talk about that in just a second. Okay, but listen, guys, these are patterns that I want you to begin identifying. When you see a strong move down, okay, you don't, if you wasn't in it, you don't jump in it. Okay, you don't chase, you let it retrace, you let it go back up, because it's coming right back down to that level potentially. Okay, it might come a little short, it might overshoot. Okay, but listen, the gist of it is this: once it hits that level, it's short-lived, because it's either going to make a continued move down, or it's ready to create or put in a double bottom and then head back to the upside. So you have to be on your A game in your trading. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at this next one I have for you guys. Okay, here, guys, is the SPY on a 2-minute chart. Okay, and in this example, I want to illustrate for you all the number of bull flags that you see. You do a quick count and then I'll count them out for you as well. Check this out. 1. Check this out. 2. Look at this. 3. Check this out. 4. Check these small ones out. 5. 6. 7. 8. Okay, you have one here, and then you have one more here to close out the day. Okay, look at the opportunities. Okay, now this is a bull flag, But where do you get in at when you have this scenario play out in the chart and the stock is going up, up, and up? Okay, and that's what today's lesson is going to be about. Let's go ahead and make some room. All right, where you want to get in at, and we're going to call this our entry. Okay, entry levels. Check this out. On the run up, okay, what I love to do is get in on this red candle right here. Okay, when I see that, I like to enter right there. That's where I like to enter at. Boom. I ride it up, and then I take profits potentially right here. Okay, same could be said here. Look at this one, guys. Once they start testing that 13 EMA, I like to get in around right here ideally. Okay, and then you go ahead and ride this up. It touched the line again, but I knew that was support because it held the first time. And then look at what it proceeded to do on the journey. Okay, this was a really nice move up, and this is how you do what I showed you guys on today. Okay, and so again, guys, you want to enter off of these touches of the 13 EMA on your charts. Okay, that's a great place to enter, so you're just not getting in at any random price and then you have to wait for the stock to come back so far before you get back or reach back to the break-even level. Okay, that's very key on your journey. All right, so where you enter matters heavily on your journey. Okay, I'm gonna put an enter right there. You enter right here. Okay, and then from there, guys, you have to know once the stock is done running up and it starts going back down, if you don't have your stop loss on, have a level that you want to take profit at. Okay, I always tell you around here 5%, 10%, 12%, 15%. Those are the initial levels I'm always looking for. From there, if I know I time my entry as best as I can, then I got a runner, then I put my stop loss on so the stock can continue to go. As it go higher, I just move the stop loss up further, and then I let the stock run for gains like you've seen me show you guys throughout the year, throughout the months, and so on and so forth. Okay, listen, guys, I hope this was helpful. I wanted to show you guys, and I'm gonna do more of this, how and where to enter your stock on different chart patterns that you see. And this example was a bull flag. The next video I do, I'll show you when you are doing a double bottom, and when you have one of those forming, where to properly enter at on a double bottom so you can take full advantage to the move that it's going to make to the upside. Okay, but again, guys, when you learn this, you don't have to lose everything. When you learn this, you don't have to blow up your account. You can avoid revenge trading by having and following a strategic plan that leads to consistent gains day in and day out if you choose to trade. But understand, guys, you don't have to trade every day. You can wait and take high probability setups, and it makes the game a lot less stressful, but a lot more rewarding as well as profitable. Listen, guys, I hope this was helpful. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.